Xbiaocom review. Is Xbiao legit or a scam? Xbiaocom review. Is Xbiao legit or a scam? If you're exploring online shopping options, Xbiaocom might have caught your eye. But is it trustworthy? Most people get this wrong by judging solely on website appearance. The surprising truth is that Xbiaocom has numerous reports of poor customer experiences. You won't believe what happens next. Complaints include delayed or missing orders, products that look different from their online photos, and unresponsive customer support. Payment security may exist, but that does not guarantee product delivery. Many reviewers warn that the site appears more like a drop-shipping platform with unreliable fulfillment. For those considering using Xbiaocom, proceed with caution. Start with small orders and verify any contact information before making a purchase. Pay attention to reviews outside the site to get an honest view of reliability. In conclusion, Xbiaocom is risky and leans toward being a scam in terms of consistent fulfillment. Shopping elsewhere, especially on established platforms, is a safer way to protect your money and personal information.